If Chinese. No, I said, wow, Indian traditional teapot, good, looks nice. China.
We wanted you to feel at home. That's why we kept some Chinese thing. Even he's made in China, couple.
रवीना मेरे प्यार का ये
वैसे शायरी मैंने सोनू के लिए लिखी थी, तुमने चांस ही नहीं दिया, मौका नहीं दिया, और ना उसने दिया, उसने जैकेट उतारा ही नहीं।
अरे प्लीज प्लीज
नहीं, I mean शायरी सिक्स पैक के ऊपर है।
पर रवीना आप जानती है मैंने आपसे शेयर भी किया हुआ है, जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करता था तो रवीना के पोस्टर्स मेरे रूम के अंदर लगे रहते थे और मैं पिक्चर इनको भेजी है वो। I had a posters in my room when I was studying in the college.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then इसी बात पे जैकेट उतार दो, पब्लिक को दिखा दो what you're made of. We want to see what you're made of. Soonu.
अजय
Sir, have you heard about Baba Ramdev? Sir, we have something for you to show. Come, sir. सोनू पर जाओ।
Wow.
So we called a yoga teacher. Of course, not Baba Ramdev. So where is the yoga teacher? Yes, sir. He's gonna teach you something. आपको आता है ना? वो जैकी चैन है, हमारी बेइज्जती ना करवा देना, ठीक है? बाहर जाके चाइना में बताएंगे, आप बताओ करके दिखाइए। अच्छा आप तुम अंडरवेयर छुपा लो, अंडरवेयर मत दिखाओ। हाँ। He don't mix dal in rice. He ate rice, dal, and then mix. And khichdi.
I just want to say that.
शुक्रिया सर, कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया, काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुई, शुक्रिया जी। प्लीज
I want to ask you some question. I know you produce a movie.
जी.
You have so many shows,
जी,
right?
Right.
Did you ever thought you dream about it one day I come to your show?
I never thought so. इसका मतलब जैकी चैन भी मेरा शो देखते हैं। Superb, sir. I mean, I never thought, but no, when Sonu thought that one day I might work with Jackie Chan, then I thought, if he will do work, and I know him personally, I will tell him to bring you here, and he bring you here. Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, as you said, you want to do romance.
Yes.
And we have beautiful Raveena Tandon here. I will play a very beautiful song for you. Raveena मैम आपको सिखाना, आप देखो हमारी बॉलीवुड की आज नाक आपके हाथ में है। रवीना टंडन जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां। Come मैम। Can we have the romantic lights please?
वैसे बॉलीवुड
Actually, I love you.
You love me sir, I love you too sir. Thank you Raveena ji, thank you so much for this beautiful moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you Jackie sir.
Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
I come sir. Jackie sir, you always do lot of dangerous action.
Yes.
कितनी हड्डियां? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken. Crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो, क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं और वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं। जैकी चैन क्यों हैं? बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं, डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं। और सर, वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, वी लव यू अ लॉट।
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
Okay.
Then I got a phone call in America after body check, because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injured, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
You are Superman, sir. Sir, that soup is available in India?
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
Acha, Rajma?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of Rajma chawal, but you're talking
bean.
about red beans. But
Yes.
Rajma
Good.
makes you strong and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean,
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
okay. तो अच्छी चीजें हैं, सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to, I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and kachumar and juice. I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know it was a
I
stupid
just a
question.
normal human, but I just have a guts to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask. I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. It's too many. Too many.
And do you remember how many? I mean, good thing you have done on screen. I mean, kisses.
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, more easier. But put in this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if I'm doing a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out the theater, look at the kissing, so good. Right?
Good.
Then I said, okay, as long as I'm still feel I'm young, I will continue to action until I cannot do it. Because you. Like a lot of people ask me, Jackie, why you continue to do this? Because that's my life. I've been doing it 56 years, every day, single day on the set. Every day doing the things. Action sequence. That, for me, it's so easy. For you, probably difficult. But you tell me to sit here to do the show. For me, it's difficult.
So sweet. I mean, I don't have words, but you are genius, sir.
You do the best you can. One day, you will get an Oscar. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Like me, when I was young, if people said, Jackie, one day you will get an Oscar. You know? But I just concentrate. Even my box office, good. Box office, no good. Somebody go to see my movie. Some people don't like movie. Doesn't matter. Every day, single shot. In the movie, in the stage, on the set, I do my best. I can enrich my life for all those years. One day, I never go to the Oscar. Oscar come to me.
Wow.
Same thing. No matter what kind of job you are, you're the host. You do the best you can. You're not today to the host. Nobody listen to you. Okay, tomorrow you change your cameraman. Okay, you doesn't good. You go to change your soundman. You do nothing. Stay where you are. Like you, like the audience. I think everybody have your own job. Stay your own job. One day, your dream success.
Wow.
यही चीजें होती हैं बड़े लोगों से सीखने वाली. Sir, you will not believe actually. I was talking to my team yesterday. So I told them, what if I will get an Oscar? I mean, I can get. We all are human beings. If we will give our 100%, we will give our best. Yes. So we can get. Sir, you are so inspirational. I mean, thank you so much for coming. दोनों भाई इनसे पूछो अगर नहीं ले आ पाए हम ऑस्कर तो हमें अपना वाला दे देंगे.
Hurt.
तू आ गया, मेरा जग्गू आ गया, मुझे तेरा इंतजार था।
नानी तू ना अपनी रेंज के हिसाब से इंतजार किया, अगर नल में पानी आया कि नहीं आया, मच्छर मारने वाले आया कि नहीं, तू जैकी साहब के सपने काम से ले रही तू।
बिजनेस प्लान है, तू चुप कर, बीच में मत बोला कर। और कैसा है मेरा पुत्र?
ठीक हो ना? नहीं ठीक।
जीतता रहे। कुछ बचा नहीं, नारियल से काम चला। माय गॉड, नी हाओ माँ।
Oh, how, ni hao, namaste.
नी हाओ, वही पकड़ते रहे ना बीच में। You like my healthy organic praise?
Yes.
अभी क्या कर रही हैं आप, इधर क्या करने आई हैं?
मैं इनके लिए बिजनेस लेकर आई हूँ, तू बीच में ज्यादा बोला मत कर। लिसन, नो कंपनी देयर give you insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, because everywhere break. Don't worry, my company will give you insurance.
तुम्हारी कंपनी?
हाँ।
What company?
कोई नो कंपनी। मेरे नाना के साथ भी इनकी कंपनी नहीं बनी, कौन सी कंपनी खोल ली आपने? कितनी do you have?
हाँ ठीक है, ये पैसे देगा उससे कंपनी भी खुल जाएगी ना। तू चुप कर और तू अप्लाई मत करना, मुझे सीरियस लोग चाहिए। You don't listen to him, he is villa. I tell you. You know, I've got lovely plan for you.
Okay.
आपके लिए मेरे पास है टकाटक बीमा योजना। See, this policy is for you. You one time give me under table 50 lakh rupees, invest in this. My company after 18 years, when you're ripe for marriage, will give you 5 times more.
He's already married, I told you.
Yeah, then do affair, na? My company will help you in affair also. I'll do the needful.
He don't need your insurance, he's very strong. Okay,
No,
now.
I know he's strong, but you do stunt, so you need insurance. I'll give you. जब देखो तो बेचारे लगे रहते हैं यूं करते।
I'll recommend, Nani. I'll recommend.
ये लॉक हो गया, कोई खोलो। It is locked here. Please open me.
Sir, you have to kick her. Sir, you have to kick her. Yeah.
Sir, don't worry, she's not original she, she's he.
She's a he.
She's a he.
Too old.
हाँ, no, thank you for opening my
Bones.
Lock.
हाँ, मजागड़ा।
That's what.
Okay, thank you and so nice meeting you. Okay, I go.
Thank you. Thank you.
लग गई भाई।
सोनू भाजी, आपने बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में काम किया है, हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, पंजाबी। आपने जैकी सर के साथ अभी काम, आपने कुछ इनसे चाइनीज सीखी आपने थोड़ी बहुत कि नहीं? वैसे
मेरे चाइनीज के अलावा इनको बहुत सारे अच्छे डायलॉग्स आते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों के।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? सर, आई विल गिव यू 4-5 डायलॉग्स. I mean, people will go mad if you say those dialogues. So, can we? Okay. So, there is Mr. Bachchan. He's a legendary actor. And his style is like, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. It's a very long dialogue, I know. So, you can say, नाम है शहनशाह.
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Like this.
नाम हाल शेख।
Oh! सर भाई, बच्चन साहब का दीवार वाला डायलॉग.
हाँ, yeah. So I have to say you one line and you have to answer it. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Maha.
There is another guy, Mr. Sunny Deol. He's an Iron Man. उनका एक डायलॉग है, बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Can you repeat this line? बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
कुत्ते?
हाँ, कुत्ते, ठीक है.
बलवंत राय के कुत्ते.
पर वन जाए तेरे कुत्ते?
Oh, superb. And there is another superstar, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. You met him?
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan.
So he's a very stylish actor. One of his dialogues is very famous, like, छोटे छोटे शहरों में
छोटे छोटे सालों में
बड़े बड़े शहरों में एक्चुअली ओह सॉरी आई वाज रॉन्ग बड़े 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 शहरों में
बड़ा बड़ा सालों में
छोटी छोटी बातें
छोटी छोटी बातें
होती रहती हैं
होती है
And Kapila, yeah, that signature step of like this. You know, yeah.
Sir, one another guy, I like him very much, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha.
Yeah.
One small dialogue. Khamosh.
Vamos.
Superb, sir. I love you. Thank you. जोरदार तालियां यार, जोरदार. Come, sir.
Good sir.